Hi, I'm Lizzy.
And I'm Rachel
From 7 and All, and today we are going to test out some makeup. This is the Tarte Seaglass Eyeshadow, and it's the shade Night Dive. They have a bunch of different colors, but I only got this one because I think it looks the prettiest, and I want to see how it does before I buy any of the other ones. So it's a liquid eyeshadow. You can see this one looks pinky. It's a pinky shade, super glittery. When we swatched it, we just finished the eye look right here. And if you want to see how we did this eye look, just keep watching. I love using blush and bronzer as transition shades. They're just super natural, and they're colors that are very nice because they will blend in with the rest of the face, other colors that you have going on. Now I'm going to go into another blush that's a little bit darker, a little bit deeper into the outer corners, because we're going to put the glitter the inner corner and towards the middle. So we're gonna have the matte on the outside and a little bit darker on the outside.
So you're starting with the outside corner rather than the inside?
Well, we started with the transition shade, and now, we're gonna start. Second step is gonna be the outer part, and then we're gonna do the inner part.
Do you usually do the inside and work toward out, or it just varies?
I usually like to do the outside because usually I'm putting my darkest colors on the outside. And then the last step is the lightest color. That way, if as I'm blending, I get too much of the dark color on the inside, then I can cover that up with the lighter color. But a lot of times it's back and forth. Yeah, and you can see how pigmented this blush is. This other blush that I'm using, the shade is called Fetching. It's another Amazonian clay blush. A lot more pinky. Right now I'm just kind of blending these two shades together, making sure it looks good. Okay, let me look. I think that. Alright, now for the fun part, for the glitter.
This is the new product we're trying.
Yes, the Tarte Seaglass, super glittery, super fun. I like this shade a lot. They have a lot of other shades, but this one I just feel like is so easy to use on so many different looks because it's light.
So you can blend it with different shades.
Yeah. I'm just going to use my finger today to blend it out, see how that goes. I place them there, and now I'm tapping without bringing it kind of all over, just stopping right over here. Okay, and keep your eyes shut because I want it to dry down. It looks really, really pretty. Now for the other eye. Now in China I got something similar to this from a random store. I don't recommend doing that. But it looks super pretty, something like glittery eye topper. It's awesome. I bought it, I went home, I tried it out. It was like glitter and Vaseline. So it didn't dry down on the lids. It just creased like crazy. It was awful.
Formula matters.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have her keep her eyes closed. That way it has a full amount of time to dry. That way things won't start creasing and falling, the glitter won't start falling off the face onto the cheek area. I'm also gonna do some inner corner highlight And I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use Vermeer because it's a really good highlight shade in general, but it's also a little pinky. And we have this pink look going on here today. I love a good inner corner highlight. Oh, I think you're gonna like this look. It's sparkly and girly.
Sparkly is very good. I don't wear makeup every day, so it's like when I wear makeup, I want to wear makeup.
Yes, go crazy. Okay, turn towards me. I want to make sure it's even. Okay, I'll put a little bit more on this eye. Okay, take a look. What do you think?
Oh wow, that is really glittery. It's a lot of fun.
It looks a lot more iridescent on the eyes than it looks like in the tube. I think in the tube, it's very pink, but then on the eyes, the inner portion doesn't even really look pink to me. But it looks good.
It looks really glittery.
It looks super glittery. Okay, and then just to finish off, we're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna use a couple shades from the Modern Renaissance. First shade.
I'm going to book club tonight, so you know, gotta have really glittery eyes
for
book
sure.
club.
It's a big deal. It's like date night.
Yeah.
It really is, because you're not bringing kids.
Yeah, and I am bringing my husband to book club.
Okay, so I'm going in with Antique Bronze. I'm actually going to do the under eye, so we can look up. And I just like to do a bit on the very outer portion. I think that looks good, rather than going all the way in. Just gonna kind of blend that so it's not super hard. It's a very light kind of liner look. And on this side and the top. Good. And brown fell down. Maybe we should be doing a review of the Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, now you're never done with eyeshadow until you do at least mascara. So curl your lashes and put on some mascara. Alright, so this is the final look. And I think it turned out really, really nice. I love the glitter. It is a little less pink than I thought it was going to be. It's a little more multicolored, kind of holographic, but it looks great anyways. You were saying that it's a little more
glittery than I thought based on just looking at the tube. Like, I don't know, I just thought it had shine, but this feels very glittery.
right. It's pretty opaque. Yep, I agree. I like it. I want to see how long it lasts. I want to see whether it creases. I want to see whether we have any fallout after this. So we will update you in the description box below. But so far, I think it was easy to work with. It dried down quickly. It was easy to blend out. I think definitely you could use a brush if you don't like to use your finger, but I think it looks really cool. I'm excited to try out the other colors that they have and to use it in more looks in the future. Thanks for watching, and give us a like and subscribe. Bye!